The scientific minds of our time have proven and researched that we are pure energy. At our core, we are essentially a spirit. As a spirit, we are assigned a physical body just before entering Earth's atmosphere. We become a soul when our spirit enters the body. As a soul, we come to the earth through a portal called the vaginal canal. Our universe is a university for the spirit, and Earth is the school of spiritual energy that we are currently enrolled in. We come to Earth to master our energy, learn to manipulate and facilitate our spiritual energy. Our energy speaks for us, telling others our motives and our intentions. When our energy is in motion, it is called emotion. We often fail the test of mastering our emotions. Our reactions show that we can't control putting our energies in motion toward others or ourselves. So the next time someone's pushing your buttons, stop and realize that someone testing you is actually a test of the universe or university. Remember, Earth is your school of spiritual energy. So let's graduate to the next level together. Be well, stay blessed, and as always, through love, be a blessing. God bless.